Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can insert a table on a Canva. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Canva application. Once you open it, you'll be brought up with the home page of Canva. Now on the appeared screen, you can see the plus icon on the lower side of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that plus icon. Now here you can select any of the ratio that you like to add. So for instance, I've selected Instagram story. Now you can select any template of your choice. Now on the lower side you can see many options. Tap on elements. Now here what you can do is scroll all the way down until you see tables. Here as you can see tables right here. So now you see tables and you can just select one of them. You can see I've selected this. Now you can manage the size of the table. You can just adjust it to your choice. Once you are done with it, just toss the empty area and you are good to go. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.